My name is Matt Gwynn. I'm the Director of Organizing for Churches and Community Groups with On Earth Peace and a trainer with PeoplesHub.
Hi, everyone. My name is Pam Smith. I'm with the Addie Wyatt Center for Nonviolence Training in Chicago and with the Kingian Nonviolence Coordinating Committee. I'm really thrilled to be here with all of you today and to be doing this training with my good friend, Matt. Now, some of you may not have heard much about Kingian Nonviolence. It's Dr. King's philosophy and methodology of nonviolence. And the curriculum was in follow-up to Dr. King's last mandate that he passed along before he was assassinated in a conversation with a colleague, that the next step for his work be the institutionalization and the internationalization of nonviolence. So in other words, how can we use these principles and steps that were so effectively used during the civil rights movement and beyond, and actually transform institutions and transform our own lives by adopting nonviolence as a way of life? So we're excited to be here today. It's inspiring to us to see how everyone who is exposed to Dr. King's work ends up using it and applying it within your own circles.
My hope is that you'll come away from this workshop nourished for struggle and connected to a legacy and reflective about your own practice and values. I'm really excited to connect with you and with people around the country and around the world in this workshop. I can't wait for the conversation that we'll have together.